Molweni Mandase, welcome back to yet another vlog. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. It's completely free. It's just for you to get notified next time I post another vlog. And if you're returning Sabi, welcome back Dase. You know what to do. The channel without you. Anyways, today it's a Sunday. Been busy. My phone was very flat, so I couldn't vlog the other parts of the day. But I think the time now is currently 2:30, and I'm about to wash dishes because son will get lunch. Yeah. I never class and produce lashes. But yeah, but nothing much is going on besides accidents or injury. I'm gonna show you guys what's being done. According to our two, it's just a plan B. Yeah, and then go Kuvalwa is under busy roof. I think you guys remember from my previous vlog, but you want to see baby on your roof. I can see you. So yeah, let's just get this water. And yeah, nothing much is gonna happen today. It's just me cleaning. Because if you pay and then sizoyobhaka isongo kamakhulu, and yeah, and then yokufakela nefestile kufakela i-blinds ne-curtains so zisadrelelwa, hence the noise. So yeah, mandase, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Let's get into it. So this is your shop, kesan. This is your shop. Now your shop. Let's take petrol for your generator. Yo, nice. Yo, Afaz.
You put shot again.
I take off my neck.
What's your name?
What's for a cake almost plainly? Afaz. I dip in the lollies. Dip, cabana, and I'm flashing. You know, under your power bank. In the phone. Not going to see what Bobby is going, so I'm going back home now. Okay, and let me show you guys. See ya, chap. Stay Anna. No, can't get the car. Please. What are you doing? Now you're doing the yeah. No, it's so good. I got some of that. See, you come back. Molweni, today is a Monday. Sunday sana zigqibogqaba. Une-rush nam ndine-rush. Baxelele mama. Baxelele mntanam. To subscribe button, keep ads. So yeah, update. I know I said, I don't know if in this vlog or my previous vlog, that kuzofika ubhuti we-plumbing abayi-2 bazokwenza iyadi. Utathera lo weyenzela indlu, and then oyi-1 uzokwenza ii-burglars. Precious kuyazenza ii-burglars ne, but bezenzela kwamakhulu because kukho umbane, but namhlanje uyazipeyinta, yabo. Xa kuphele ipaint, so kuzoyiwa Tuesday, which is ngomso ngesenga-July at so I think uzobuywa nayo. And then lo we-plumbing bilikhaladi mos, ayike sana sedelft, ayike sana ubhuti wafika usifikayo siyabe sonke mos ebe wayixele ngoDisemba uzozokwenza ile ntika i-plumbing xa ke kwatshintshwa nalapho esemdlini. Ayike sana ngoJuni ukuziweyo ubhuti watshintsha apha wathi no I cannot do this anymore. Wathi I feel something here. It's telling me to go home now. Nah, I can't do this anymore. I want to go home. Yay. When do you vlog? Like I said, I leaned down. But I was like, you know what? I'm weak. I better the phone. I'm going to take up here. I think we will end the year by inside. I think allegedly. Because, we were changing. But some of them do right. I will change sana. Samoyika kwatina. Samoyika because I'm calling nje. No pressure so chobele naye. Lwe packers. I will took away any time calling engine and you were on a bonnet chaya, so I don't know. What you will be later room invite to? What you buy, Ebe Nazella. Ebe lap and you must say, not to me to do, wooting her in don't walk, and then my mom boost by China. I was like, no, and the chai mixing and chai drag no ni. The woman there chai gets at the area, but my mom was like, I'm Minyando. Quite like ending, but it was on a Saturday, because it's fake Thursday. Friday, go you went and go to visit to a pali list, go you down. Saturday, which was 27, who came in which a so go was against this lie, London. So we got home last Saturday. Welcome a cool, we'll forget up come a cool. I was second on Saturday because cash for nature. Sunday, I own to a change. We are changing people change Saturday soup. Sunday, on the Puma Pan, Lilling, and getting out to Mutanga Secoy, dear took a little backwands and one son. Good try, Cassan, Ufun Kotuk, Shushu, and the drama about a Luya child. That drama low, we had chai and chai benzine. Yabo was a better than a zany as Pangum Yango. Do took. Then Kosha goes on a Wednesday, Yabo. Because we were down Wednesday, go on the lap, but we covered Zebo. Wednesday, so we go over the down because the sun I petrol down, Haibo, from day one, Macalind, Yabo. Hey, I know a Pagam such a woman, Macabelin, or a Pagamas and put over in sin. What? No, I can't do this anymore. Washing him, these guys. Wakala, what is something? Yeah, telling me to go home. Yeah, very low drama on the Cabao. But some call it about Wednesday was a wamba so what. Yeah, but we're not going to get less because there's no way back. Also, this was up. Chicken just all up. Like I don't think on the Palian, like all say up, as she might listen to Lalin. I will go born by here, man. Yay. I don't know Yama sauce, but yeah, so Wednesday, some quotas again, some quotas. Then, Obuto Paklas what again about Kabats, Kazukazukoza, because and that's because like was so often you know, so like Umtokwa, so give us a family meeting, didn't do any abo. That's what I know. So I think if Kabats was in September, if not December, I'm not sure. But yeah. Masi ambini ndiyathetha ke mna ke into endiyaziyo andomnqina uthetha ndafika kuthetha apha emhlabeni sanandenzayo ibhotile yomntanam ibhotile kanana ndiligalela kwesi sikhafutini ibiski sana like xa ndisiye town when you got it, put this kaftin, and then the lentic decaf from up. Like I leave camera in and you got it up is kaftin. Then part of the flask. Wherever I go, I make sure that if flask in a manzi, Miss Captain as a Galileo. Otherwise, I can't need more. 6, 7, 8. So I was washing. Hey, it's washing hands on it. What are you show? I'm doing the cup of son. Send me washing. Sana no planje, go play a picture. Hey, Sama, I'm so good. When's washing him? nje ndiqonda uzokwazi uyenza. Heyi mna guys ndingumntu one-eczema yabo. So le eczema yam mandinibonise. Nansi i-eczema yam nalapha. So kule eczema yam sana once ndiphathe icinto noze mhlawumbi zitye ngesephu belirhawuzelele itswebe bebuhlungu. So benibona ngoba bendihlamba iwashing kanana uba yeyi bekurhawuzelela sam, but ke I had uba ndihlambe iwashing ngomntana biseyiphelile yonke ibindaka iwashing ngomntana. So ndaqomba you know what, eyam ndizayihlamba eKapa okanye if kuzokwenza iwashing ne, because mama bethe sizakwenza iwashing sana uyatsho umaskari ngaphesheya. Nantsi iwashing yam umntanam bendiyenzile abantwana bedlala ibhola phaa. Washing umntanam sana hamba yomile ngoku sana guys. Ndathenga eliphinifa umama waligxeka wathi hayi iphinifa ntoni njengoba uhlambile ngoku kuyancipha. Sana bekuyokhiwa amanzi epulini kwatamkhulu okanye kwamakhulu angamanzi kuzoxovwa ngawo sana. Nazi izitena kuyasetyenzwa nakutathela. Guys John isky sana sisikwamakhulu ngona ke ekhaya sisikwamakhulu ngoku besizokha amanzi for xaxova idaka. Yo asisesihle bethuna. Nansi pool park kwamanzi. Yatshona ilanga lalapha sana bana ke ngoku sana ndibuyela kwi-washing line ndiye kuthi i-washing yomntana akumnyama kuthiwa i-washing yomntana ayilali phandle and ayomanga because bekubanda. So ndizokuthi i-washing yomntana ndincime nefowuni sana. When I just remember bendenza ndibonisa ikamera yam bethuna nansi ikamera yam isemdaka ifuna ukulento clean kubhabha luleli apha. But this is my bedroom. I got these pedestals from Epep Home. Those are pedestals, man, side tables, but I'm just using them as pedestals for now. The mirror is also from Epep Home. Why I emailed A1? Because I wanted beige two and I wanted gold in them. But the thing is, Epep ziyanqabe zizibili azikhona futhi ukukhala uzinqakule. Mina nanqakole esiyi1, umama nanqakole eziyi2. Engenamali ke mna ke so that ngesiyi1 xa ndizazibuyela andisaboni kwezo zibili sana. But I think I'm gonna replace this one nesakwa-game. Ndizawuthengisa kwa-game yabo ezaziyi2 ndizibeke apha. Esi siye bathroom, I don't know. Then this is my headboard. Yayibona mos i-theme yam guys, i-theme yam lena, but ikamera yam I don't know what, but isayalungiswa. Like ndisayilungisa in terms of izinto andifuna like i-decoration yekamera yam yabo. I wanted to buy comfort set okanye i-duvet cover that's like beige and white yabo, just to complement the headboard and the scatter cushions yabo. Sasipili ke siyahamba so basedani ukuhamba sasipili si-temporary. Then I got these curtains. They kind of like match. They match with the paint, but not with my headboard. So I'm still gonna buy Ezerite curtains. But those ones are also good. We have those poles over there. I wanted mine to be like next to the irofli, because I like it guys because zinqobe phaa kwi-ceiling. It can ibone phaa ku Pinterest. Yes, I love it. And then also you have blinds. Yabo, blinds and curtains. I love this combination. My mom opted for it. The same day, if I say I'm still gonna wash them. But maybe I shall before the last time, but it's in paint. Yeah. And then upper panty, we have this mat. Yabo. If you be light grey, if you be grey, you go. Yeah, but yeah, we'll indicate because that will be man and walk. But we have this mat here. It has this Lenderman did maybe so, but it's actually the pattern. And this is my bedroom. This is my bedside. Indium Tanaka. Zindos am this side, and then the other side I'm done. So yeah, bandasena kupepulele. Pha ngumthwalo wami sana. Ungasemnyango because senzohamba. Yabona guys washing yami igcwele. Ithi yakukhumali washing basket. Yeah, boss senza yenza ikapa. Yeah, this is my bathroom. It's still untidy, very untidy. But mama uthi uzolentiko. Lena ke sana iyahamba iya embebuleni ithutywa lotata izawuhamba lento eyasekhaya, but like you know xa sithenga furniture ngigqitya usetyenza apha endlini izawuhamba. Okay, let me show you guys the sister wami camera. This is her bedroom. Okay, the house is like it is the invaded privacy. She has this black mat. We got this mat at Belleville, guys. And then so I think ngekhethe imat ebu le color yakhe ekamereni yakhe le theme color yakhe, but ke wayengekho royal blue. It's very nice. I won't lie. We got this bedding a Beb Home Mtata Mall, and there's cushions as well. And then headboard lay if many p sitting a up. If you phone headboard bandaze and of course in Cape Town, I can be your radna. Tetanam when Tetanam ba une transport yakho zokugodsela. I can be your rana mntasekhaya ungawari. Anyways, yeah, camera yakhe le. Inhle color ye camera yakhe. The theme, it's very nice. And she also has the same curtains as mine. Yeah. And this one is my mom's bedroom. Yeah, my mom le camera. Now guys, sisa camera zethu, but for now we're still focusing plenty of build, otherwise kuzogqityiwe. Niza kothuka not done chill. And then this is me walking out of my parents' bedroom. I'm washing up. Uzawuthalisha ke sana bandase up. Uzawuthalisha nazi tiles. We got 50 boxes yesterday, and a bright then build right. Ngizibonakala ke likhala. Nansi ni tile cement. Yeah, nangunogwatch. Washing. Maybe guys, maybe niek. Sana mandase ndibukele ipho. Ndibukele ibhola, but sana yabona mna ndikumla weCosterius phela ifihla yonke into ndaglowa kudala kudlala ibhola, and I'm just having a cup of rooibos black lemon juice noswekile. It's very nice. Ungayigaleli kakhulu lemon juice. Sana abantwana badlala ibhola, umntana wami uvukile bendizoyikisa yena xa ndiyarealize uba ndingumle weCosterius phela ifihla. So glow kudala. Anyways, let me show you guys le ndifake ebusweni. Man, didn't body bandazi. I'm gonna remove this. Nancy, it's this collagen plumping mask. This is like a Project E Beauty. Sinjingaphakathi singamanzi. Xa Khupha ngaphakathi kanti kukho amanzi. I got them from my sister based in London. So I don't know. But I think they're from Woolworths. And I also have this. It's Zoe Skin. Yeah, got Zoe Skin Health. It's a complexion renewal pads. And this guy's 7 this is on and there's a week, but we'll try them out maybe next week. Because I'm going to mix. Oh yeah, for Nana. Mama, yeah. What you got on? We happy? We happy? We happy now? This mom, the mama, yo, man, because you're fucking done. We are happy. What's wrong? I miss her. I can't do it. Can't do it. On the weekend, it's a good news. Yeah, Papa. Ufuna uhlala straight uzawuqineka kasana iyoyo yunanana kamama ke uiya umnqwazi wakho baba bendubephi nomntana umnqwazi wakho nanku umnqwazi kananana kamama ke anxiba unqwazi. Akumlungu wami bethuni. Ufuna ukubulisa ku YouTube? Ngizobulisa ku YouTube. Ufuna? Ngikeke. Waluhleli kamnandi. Kubani lona? Kuntaka mama ke. Kuntaka mama ke. Itimolweni nani mama ke. Mthwalo wami sana lo semva sana. Let me show you guys my room, but EMS ngoku. EMS, hello. So now I was sitting here, having my cup of tea, watching abantwana badlala ibhola. Such a nice view from here, guys. Very nice one. Zinaweza kuhle kuseni sana ikamera yami. Ndana muyatef. Sana ibathroom window le na abantwana bayadlala. Kudlalwa ibhola. Xa ndinemali zami zabenzela ibali lirayithi she. Ase ndiphunyule zemali zami. Yeah. Nansi pali pha. Sanhlanga sani festival. Kusabanda. Yo nana.
Yani?
She's amazing us.
Yazi?
Yani?
Liana?
Yani? She's so nonchalant. Hey.
Hey.
Ntsima bafazi. Gaqazi siya phambili. Ubhuka itikiti. Uyoyilanda ifoni yakhe before aze kuni. Ngubekile nabafu. Oh, ngubekile. Sawuhlaba nje le washing sithone kuyo. Kuba salile umamiza. Singathula nalo washing mina ngibona idini bafazi. Didinwe. Nalilanga. Likhona lishushu ngoba lugcakamela. Chophe apha ezitepsini. But umntana uphaya ikude camera yami. Yo hayi inkulu lendlu. Camera ikude le. Sana room yami immense. Dijajeni igqibe. Lena yiwashing yomntana le iclean. Ndizayifaka ebhekini. Ndimgalela amanzi ahlambe. Phaya sesasitulo ke kuthiwa siba sekamereni esasitulo awuyazi noba zinempahla eziklini okanye zinempahla esemdaka but sesasitulo esiya but ziklini ezampahla eziya ziphaa bendizisongile bendicinga ndihamba mande izolo so bendizisonke esandini ndixelele uba ndizawunxiba zona and then ezinye zii-cushions wethu I mean for ibhedi le so ndibe nazibeka phaa sana akho nto ingako sana ungakrokro uthi sinombane ufunga ugwamele sisasibane sisasibane sana. This is my OOTD nam ndizohlamba ngoku ndivuke ekuseni nabhizi OOTD OOTN outfit of the night ziipijama zikalala ezi yi-2-piece ke sana le ayopijama but ndiyitreat as ipijama because zakanohamba inxibe kanje mntanam. It's teeny tiny and new and so loved by everyone. Yeah, uzonxiba nale vest then athi gown yakhe. I got this gown from Pick n Pay clothing. It's very nice, man. Uneempahla ezintle uPick n Pay clothing. Then uzawuthi bonnet yakhe ndihlambile athi bibhi yakhe athi akanele unxiba ibhonethi yakhe but ushushu kamani nomnqwazi I'll decide uba uzonxiba ephi umntanam andifuna godola zomhlamba ngoku. Zohlamba sisi. Zohlamba nana. Uzohlamba ke sana. Vuka nini Isa mama? Vuka nini? Zohlamba sisi. Zohlamba ne? Zohlamba ne sisi? Continue yana. Mama ako ba? Mama. Yo. Dapat tayo sa tamang ko. Masam sa ko tuloy tayo sa ako. Paint sana. Ema kude i5 lo ndimbone paint oko ndisiza. Sana sisengep sibandase. This is me and my baby. Asishile xa uthe siyacotha. Naba bandilindile ke sana. Natshintshe napkini ngumzali kaloku. Hayi bandase sisengep ngoku. Hope Mall of Mthatha ngoku. We are here to buy bedding for sister. Uzothenga phofu nanzanga uzothenga. Nakuna nana. Hello nana. Hello. Apho ndikho ukho itsho. Timulweni itsho ngapha kunani. Ayikesa. Yeah. Ndilambe guys khange ngilidudu bengxanyisiwe. Bendingxanyisiwe sana. Hayi ke umuntu esimkhaphileyo undecisive. isiteke sento zebathroom asinengazi because kusafanele ukuthayilishiwe. Ngicwesa it's a Sunday. Kamnandi. Guys, bayaphi nothi keke yami bayaphi? Why not la red velvet? Take carrot. Idea how. This is round, mama. It's called right. Hi, boom. Yeah. What's up, chicken? Mama, hi, Magawo. Oh, too much time. So on the step right more sorting I eat quotation tiles. The sun is burning something for my camera for my bathroom. It's very nice. Nice Italian so nice. Love it. Guys, it's okay to eat tile for my bathroom. Ooh. Tell a tile for bathroom, yam. Finally, tile. Love it.
I love it.
Love it. It's even nice. And the ear merchant, Nintuka Yamsa, the theme. Camera yam.
Oh, look at this one.
It's nice, but not for my bathroom. Kitana is easy too, but the first one that I chose, Inche.
What about this?
Mhlelo space gray. Uthini nana? Sikhethe le camera yethu. Uthini? Now guys, ngizokhetha i-tile for my bathroom. Ooh. Mhlelo tile for bathroom yam. Funa le tile. Love it.
I love it.
Love it. It's even nice. And the ear merchant, Nintuka Yamsa, the theme. Camera yam.
Oh, look at this one.
It's nice, but not for my bathroom. Kitana is easy too, but the first one that I chose, Inche.
What about this?
Mhlelo space gray. Uthini nana? Sikhethe le camera yethu. Uthini? She's so heavy.
And a baby.
Uyasinda. Ngigqiba ufata bantazi. Siyazaza futhi. I think better i-camera come vlog. Ngicela ngakhulu zapha mama.